Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So also give the video a like and also give a comment if you love the video. So this video is about how to remove unwanted things from an image in a second. Okay, with this you can remove anything from an image, any unwanted thing from an image. So maybe let's say you have an image, you want to remove something from that, so you just have to go to the website magiceraser.io. So you just go to the website, click on upload image, so you just have to select the image that you want to. So let me select the image. Yeah, so with this image I want to remove the first lady from the picture. So I can just adjust the brush size depending on the subject that I want to brush. So you just have to brush over your subject. So brush over it. So brush over your subject very well. After that, click on erase. You click on the erase tab, then you leave the AI to do the work. So the AI will do everything for you. Yeah, so you realize the subject has been removed. If you're not okay with it, you can just do that again, then click on erase again. Yeah, so you can realize the girl has been completely removed from the scene. Yeah, so that's it. So please, I know you love this video, so don't forget to hit the video, hit the like button, and also hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Okay.